Okay, for this chapter study, we're going to talk about odd time meters. Okay, now we've been playing mostly in 4/4 time. In this book, we've talked about some 3/4 and some 6/8 and 12/8. Today, we're going to look at some of the little bit different time beats that are really fun to play and challenging. Today, we're going to look at 5/4 time, 7/8, and 9/8. Okay, for the first four, we're going to look at 5/4. Okay, now if we think of 4/4 as 4 beats per bar, we're just going to add a beat, and the quarter note gets the beat. Okay, now for number one, we're going to do a C major for bar 1, and we're just going to do 5 quarter notes. We'll switch it to an A minor on bar 2, D minor on bar 3, and a G major on bar 4. Now you could do open chords, you could do bar chords. I'll be doing bar chords for this. Let's go ahead and try number 5. I'm going to count it in with 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for number 2, we're going to start off with an E minor, and we're going to have 3 beats of quarter notes, 2 beats of eighth notes, and that's going to be our rhythm for all these bars. Bar 2, we're just going to stay on our E minor, and then take it to an A major for bars 3 and 4. Okay, here comes number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for number 3, our rhythm is going to be a half note for the first 2 beats into 3 quarter notes. Okay, we're going to have a D major for the first 2 bars, and we'll switch it to a C major for the next 2 bars. Okay, here comes number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's number 3 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for number 4, our rhythm is going to be a whole note to a quarter note for the first 2 bars, and then a whole note to a quarter note rest for the next 2 bars. So we'll go to an F major for the first 2 bars, and then an A minor for the bars 3 and 4. And then your whole note's going to last for 4 beats, and then we'll strum a quarter note for the first 2, and then rest on the next 2 bars. Here comes number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. For numbers 5 through 8, we're going to go into 7/8. Now, 7/8 is a really fun, challenging time meter. It's going to be 7 eighth notes per bar, and they're going to be going a little faster than our quarter notes. So we'll count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then little tip, count your 7 as a sev, and you'll omit that second syllable. So that's one that I use a lot. Okay, now for rhythms, we're going to have eighth notes all the way through this. So it's 7 eighth notes per bar. And then I'm going to go G minor for the first bar, E minor bar 2, C major bar 3, A minor bar 4. Okay, here comes number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I was doing all down strums. If you want to go down up strumming, sometimes it could be a little tricky, but I'd recommend a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And this would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for number 6, we're going to have 2 quarter notes and 3 eighth notes. So when we play quarter notes, think of it just, those are 2 eighth notes, but we're just playing a longer chord for those notes. We're going to have a D minor for the first 2 bars and an A7 for the next 2 bars. Okay, here comes number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's number 6 6 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for number 7, we're going to have a rhythm of a half note into 3 eighth notes. And we're going to go E major for the first 2 bars into a C major for the next 2 bars. Think of your half note as equaling 4 eighth notes. Here comes number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's number 7 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for number 8, we're going to have a rhythm of 2 eighth notes to a quarter note and then 3 eighth notes. We're going to go D minor for 2 bars into a D major for 2 bars. Okay, here's number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's number 8 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for numbers 9 through 12, we're going to go into 9/8 meter. So this is going to be 9 eighth notes per beat, and we're going to feel this as a triple meter where we have 3 beats basically and 3 notes on each beat. They're going to sound like an eighth note triplet. And we're going to feel it in 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can think of it like a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's going to be the pulse with 9 eighth notes in each bar. Okay, now we're going to have an A for bar 1, an E for bar 2, a D for bar 3, and a D minor for bar 4. Here comes number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's number 9 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for number 10, we're going to have a dotted quarter note into 6 eighth notes, and your dotted quarter note will just basically take care of 1 beat. That dotted quarter note equals 3 eighth notes because a dotted note is normal value plus half. So that'll be a long note for beat 1, and then we'll go back into our eighth notes for beats 2 and 3. For chords, we're going to have an E minor for the first 2 bars and then a B minor for the next 2 bars. Okay, here comes number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's number 10 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. Okay, for number 11, we're going to have a rhythm of 3 eighth notes into a dotted quarter note and then a dotted quarter note rest. So we won't play anything on the 3rd beat. Okay, now for chords, we're going to have a C major for the first 2 bars. Bar 3 is a G major and then go into a G7 on bar 4. Okay, here comes number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay, here's number 11 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for number 12, we're going to have rhythm of 2 dotted quarter notes into 3 eighth notes, and we'll have a D major chord for the first 2 bars into an F major chord for the next 2 bars. Okay, here comes number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's number 12 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For part 2 of the study, we're going to do our same time meters we just did, but now we're going to read some tab and do some single notes. For number 1 and 2, we're going to be in 5/4 meter, and we're going to have 5 quarter notes per bar. We're going to start off bar 1, open E string, 2nd fret E string on bar 2, 3rd fret E string on bar 3, and then open A string on bar 4. Here's number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's number 1 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for number 2, we're going to have 2 half notes into a quarter note for our rhythm. And on bar 1, we're going to have our 3rd fret on the 2nd string twice with the 2nd fret on the 2nd string for the last note. On bar 2, we'll have our 3rd fret on the 2nd string for the first 2 notes at the 5th fret on the 2nd string. On bar 3, we'll have our 3rd fret on the 1st string for the first 2 notes to the 2nd fret for the last beat. And then on bar 4, all 1st string will have 3rd fret on the 1st string for the first 2 notes, and then the 5th fret on the 1st string for the last one. Okay, here comes number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's number 2 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For numbers 3 and 4, we're going to go into 7, 8. And we're going to have all 8th notes for number 3. We're going to start off with our open 5th string into the 2nd fret 4th string for bar 2. Bar 3, we go to the 4th fret on the 4th string, and then we'll have our open 3rd string on bar 4. Here comes number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's number 3 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for number 4, we're going to have rhythmically 2 quarter notes and then 3 8th notes. We're going to start off with our open 4th string for the first 4 notes, and then we'll hit our 2nd fret on the 4th string for the last note. On bar 2, we'll have our open 4th string for the first 4 notes, and then the open 3rd string for the last note. On bar 3, we'll have our open 4th string for the first 4 notes, and then the 2nd fret on the last note on the 3rd string, and then on bar 4, open 4th string for the first 4 notes, and then 2nd fret 5th string for the last note. Okay, here comes number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here's number 4 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numbers 5 and 6, we're going to go back into 9, 8. And then for number 5, we're going to have all 8th notes, and we're count those in 3 beats with 3 8th notes on each beat. For bar 1, we're going to have our open 3rd string. We'll go to our 2nd fret 3rd string for bar 2, open 2nd string for bar 3, and then 3rd fret 2nd string for bar 4. Here's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's number 5 a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for the last one, number 6, we're going to have a dotted quarter note to 3 8th notes and then to another dotted quarter note. Bar 1's going to be our 3rd fret on the 1st string. Bar 2's going to be our 2nd fret on the 1st string, except for the very last note. That'll be our 3rd fret, 1st string. Still on the 1st string for bar 3, we'll have our 6th fret for the first 4 notes, and then we'll hit the 3rd fret for the last one. And then on bar 4, we'll have our 8th fret for the first 4 notes, and then the 3rd fret for our last note. So always going to our 3rd fret for the last note. Here comes number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's number 6.